Joanna. Joanna. Hey guys, nice day riding around, getting shit done. My daughter prom this week. Got family coming over. My niece prom is this week. My daughter's prom is this week. I'm getting balloons and decorations and all kind of shit for my daughter. See, I didn't get a chance to go to the prom. I didn't get a chance to go to graduation when I was in high school because I was pregnant with my daughter at 17 years old. So I'm thankful that my daughter's not pregnant. She's not in jail. She's not strung out, on drugs. She ain't, having 10 and 12 different babies and shit. So I'm proud of her. So definitely I'm going to do the damn thing for her. She's going to get a nice car. So make sure you guys follow my Instagram stories, and I'll probably do a YouTube, video as well. But how do you get started in business? How do you get started in business? Okay, hold on, because I'm about to be at my dad's house and he talks all day long. So how do you really get started in business, guys? Okay, and I mean really, really, really start you a business. Okay, when I first started a business, right, I didn't really understand business. I didn't really understand, what it took or what I had to do, right? So a lot of people want to start a business and they have no clue on what it takes to actually run a successful business. So by default, they don't run a successful business, right? Multi-level marketing came about because the average person was able to start a business under $500 or even $100, right? But it still takes the same amount of work. People think if I start a multi-level marketing company, just because it doesn't cost a lot, that doesn't mean it doesn't require a lot of work. If I pay 25 grand for a business or I pay 500 grand for a business, it'll be less work. Each business is unique, and each business, guys, requires work. Okay, so really quickly, in order for you to start a business, guys, find out what your passion is first. If you have a passion for something, you got a passion for dog food, or you got a passion for makeup, you got a passion for weight loss, you got a passion for fitness, you got a passion for food, you got a passion for hair and nails and makeup and all that stuff. Whatever your passion is, guys, find a company, okay, that's in line with your passion, okay? Find a company that's in line with your passion, okay? Find a company, guys, that is in line with your passion. Work the business, do the business, build influence, build up a team, build up your leads, build up your influence, build up your mindset, build up your personal growth, build up your personal development. Make sure whoever your sponsor is, right, that they're able to help you. And even if you don't have a sponsor that's able to help you, make sure you find a mentor that can also help you follow your passion. Okay, not because the person you join under in a multi-level marketing company, that means that person is gonna handhold you and take you to your success. No, you are responsible for your success, right? They're just there to guide you and help you along the way. But like my sponsor in my Total Life Changes business, they quit. So I can't reach out to her and say, hey, I need help. So I had to find someone else though that's in the business that can help me, that I can reach out to, right? So you find a business that's around your passion, you join the business, you work the business, you build yourself up, okay? You build up your leads, you build up your influence by promoting other people's products, right? Because eventually, if you want to create your own product, how do you create your own product and make sales? You have to have influence. Right? So for me, I have an Amazon course. I have a social media course, which I'm giving 2 of my courses, which is $1,000 value. I'm giving 2 away for $197. So you get my Rockstar course, which is 7 modules, and then you get my How to Make Money course, which is also it's about 10 modules, right? And I'm showing you how to do Instagram and Facebook and YouTube marketing, right? All social media stuff and blogging, right? So you figure that out, right? You figure what your passion is, and then you figure out what company you want to be a part of, work the company, build yourself up. And then eventually, when you want to have your own fitness program, or you want to have your own makeup line, or you want to have your own informational product, or, you want to have, your own hairline, now you have the influence. I see too many people who don't have influence trying to build a brand. For me, I didn't start building no brand. I started promoting affiliate products. I started promoting everybody else stuff until I figured out what I wanted. That's how it works. You promote everybody else stuff until you figure out what you want. Here's the thing. Everybody's not equipped to be an entrepreneur. Everybody's not cut out for entrepreneurship. Everybody's not cut out to be in business, because it takes a lot of work. There's no days off, and you always got to be creative to figure shit out. And a lot of people can't even think past their bills or think past their hand. So it's not cut out for everyone. But those that are interested and being your own boss and creating your own products, you have to build influence first. You got to personal develop. You got to become the leader that you want to attract. You got to understand sales. You got to understand persuasion and confidence. And you got to understand convincing people, right? That just don't just come, right? So in order for you to build a successful business, guys, what is your passion? Join a company that is around your passion. Dog food. There's companies that sell dog food. There's companies that sell makeup. There's companies that sell weight loss. There's stuff that's into finance. Whatever it is, find that company. Then work the business. Gain influence. Recruit people. Understand how to get leads. Understand how to follow up with people. So now in the next, let's say 3 to 5 years, when you have built up your influence, now what you can do, guess what? Now you can create your own brand, because you already have the influence and you already have the people that will follow your brand. People think, oh, I got to get a brand. Oh, I got to get a logo. Oh, I have none of that. I just use someone else's stuff that's already proven. They already proved to the market that this shit work. So instead of me trying to reinvent the damn wheel, let me just promote they shit. Let me make some money, right? And then build my influence, get my leads, build my list, build my blog, right? And then when I'm ready to branch out and build my brand, that's why I had to hire a branding coach. Pay her like $3,000 to show me how to brand myself. Then, right? Because I came online, I want to say about 2011. And I promoted a lot of people's products until about 2014, 2015. Right? So it wasn't until like really into 2014 is when I started thinking about my own service-based product. Right? But remember, I already have built up the leads. I done built up the people. I done built up, influence. I done changed my mindset, right? I done helped, myself get out of, certain mindsets. And I had to have a mindset shift so I can help other people. Right? So it wasn't until 2015, 2016 is when I really launched my brand into the universe. And I've been building my brand since then, right? So let's say 2016, about 3 years now, right? I have over 500 people, students that decided to take my classes and my courses because they believe in me and I have influence over them and I help them to think. So don't come out the gate saying, oh, I want to build my brand right away. And then you crumble because you don't have no influence. Branding comes with influence. Branding comes with personal growth. Branding comes with convincing. Branding comes with being a leader and knowing what you want. Then you can get all the logos and, this color you like and that color you like and, what slogan you want to have. What's the name of your company and all that stuff. But when you first started, guys, trying to build a brand, shit ain't easy. right? You got to build up influence. That's why using other people's companies in network marketing, affiliate marketing, MLM, okay, even e-commerce, using other people's products to be able to now build you up. So when you're ready to launch yourself out there, you know what to do. You got the blueprint and you have the people and the influence, guys. So if you want to learn how to use affiliate marketing, guys, to start building up yourself, start building up your brand, start building up a customer base, start building up a lead base, start building up your influence, you go to rockwithtanisha.com, watch the webinar, and then you'll get my How to Make Money online course too, both for $197. Okay, people have paid me $500 alone just for my Rockstar course, just for my Rockstar course, guys. Okay, so again, how do you brand yourself, right? You use other people's products and services to build up your influence, and by default, guys, you will start to build a customer base. You'll start to build a list. You'll start to build leads. Let's see if my dad's here. You said Verizon was here. I don't see no Verizon. You'll start to build up leads, and you'll start to build up a list. So now when you're ready to be a brand on your own, now you push yourself into the market. And this is how you really build a successful brand online from home. Now, if you want to get t-shirts and cups and all that shit, you go to Vistaprint and print all that shit out. You ain't got to find a manufacturer and all that. Go to Vistaprint, get you a couple shirts. They do a discount for you for bulk orders. Buy that shit. You want to get you a mug with your company name on it, your pen with a company name on it, a bag with your company name on it. You ain't got to spend all this money in China and all this shit. Vistaprint, they do bulk deals and get you 100 shirts and sell a shit if that's what you want to do, right? So again, find your passion, then find a company that's aligned with your passion, build up your confidence, build up your influence, build up your sales skills, right? Build up your persuasion skills, okay? You have to build all this stuff. It takes time. Okay, I came online about I want to say about 2009, 10, but I really didn't start getting into personal growth till about 2011. So let's just say from 2011 to about 2015. So it took me 4 years of promoting other people's products to build up my influence. It took me 4 years, 3 to 4 years to build up my influence, to build up a lead base and a customer base so I can by default build my brand, and now I have influence over people. So I don't just live for me anymore. I live for all the people that depend on me. There's people that depend on my courses. There's people that I do one-on-ones with. They depend on me to move their life to the next level that they wanted to go to. So it's a lot, right? So being your own brand is not like a walk in the fucking park, baby. This shit is hard. Okay, but again, guys, I'd rather do this for me 24/7 than work at a job for somebody for 9 to 5 for 40 years. I'd rather work for me 24/7 for the rest of my life until I die than work for someone else for 9 to 5 for 40 years. We have choices. Because me working for me 24/7, I could be working right now. Right? Having fun in the process, traveling in the process, making money in the process, taking care of my kids in the process, but still working for me 24/7. I'm going to do that to the day I die. So again, we all have choices. You can either continue to work for someone 9 to 5 for 40 years and just hope and wish and pray, or what is your passion? Join a company that has your passion, right? That's about what you want, whether it's fitness, whether it's, finances, whether it's makeup, whatever it is. Join the company, learn the ins and outs of the company, understand how the company and the comp plan work, and I can guarantee you will be successful. But if you just join a company just to make money, you won't be successful. And that's a guarantee, guys. So go to rockwithtanisha.com, guys. See you soon.